Let's see how much of this we can get videoed today. Today we are assembling a relay box. Take our wire, strip it back. These are the ones that go from the fuse. Make sure that we use the right pins in the right locations. Special pair of pliers. As you can see, let me just take that, put that in there. And it rolls the end. Turn it over. Use a bigger one right there. And there you have that. Now I am going to go another step, and we're actually going to solder all these connections so that there is no way that they will come loose. Gotta wait for the soldering iron to heat up a little bit. Take and tin the end. Get you a nice little puddle right there. See how it takes the solder in, and then take your heat away and let it cool. That's how to get a nice clean connection with zero resistance. So you're not going to lose any resistance through the transfer of that connection because it is soldered and crimped.